Alright guys, so today we are doing a video on Alipearl hair, and this is their deep wave hair. So I'm just showing you guys a little bit what it looked like in the packaging. So it's packaged nicely, as you can see, like the curl pattern or the wave pattern, and then also the closure comes in a net. So now I'm just going to show you guys what I do to bleach my closure. So I'm going to use BW2 powder with 30 volume developer. And I just want to make it to where it's kind of like a paste. So I'm just kind of showing you guys like it looks like a little toothpaste. Anyways, I used a spoon to put it on there. So this is kind of how I did it. I actually have a more in-depth video. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll put it in the link or the description box below. So now I'm just putting it on foil and then just wrapping it up. And I leave it in there for like 20 minutes. And then now I'm just showing you guys like what the closure looks like. You can see like the baby hairs that are kind of like already on it, but those are just way too long. So here I'm just putting the wig cap on, and I have a size 22 head, canvas head, and I got it from Amazon, and hopefully if I can find that link, I'll make sure I have it below. And I'm just using these yellow pins to hold down the cap, and I got these like a pin pack from Michael's. And so here I'm just showing you guys how I place the closure on. So I kind of try to place it at least a centimeter forward, so meaning like a centimeter in front of the actual wig cap. And I just want to do this just so it's not just like even with the wig cap, because I do sew the hair slightly behind the closure. If that makes sense. That's kind of like how it ends up looking on my head. And I'm just going to pin the front down. So I just wanted to zoom in for you guys too, so you guys can see exactly like what I'm trying to show you guys. Okay, so now I'm just pinning the back of the closure down with pins, and you want it to make sure that's pulled tight so it's flat, and then I just wrap the hair up and put it in a ponytail or a bun to get it out the way so I can start sewing the closure down. And when I sew the closure down, I pretty much just start in the front, and I take the needle underneath, and then I pull the needle through the thread, and I'm trying to show you guys right here, so I just pull it through, and then that just creates a knot.
Communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location.
Okay, so here I'm just showing you guys how I actually like sew or all that good stuff. So I just take the needle underneath the cap and the closure. I wrap it around, and then I just pull, and it kind of like creates like it's like a knot, but it like lays flat. And I just do that all the way around. So I kind of looked like I was struggling here, but yes, I just take the needle underneath, wrap the extra thread around, pull the needle through that, and then that creates the way that I'm gonna sew all the way around. And I kind of showed it in a sped up pace, but you guys can kind of get the gist.
Back rows on me, keep me company. Hey, we did the most, yeah. Pull up and goes, yeah. My diamonds a choker, holding up, I with no holster. Read the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual.
Okay, so here I'm just showing you guys like what I do when I start sewing on my wefts, and I don't want to like hold the hair because the hair's gonna like be like lingering, I guess. So I just use like a needle to like lay the hair across, so then it's easier to get the thread through. And then here I'm just kind of showing you guys a little bit more of how I actually sew the wefts onto the wig cap. I just do this just so you guys can get a more in-depth view of how this actually works and how I construct a wig.
I just want you to need me. You might really wanna try me, babe. All I know I wanna ride her. All I know I wanna ride her, babe. You know that you need a rider. You know that you need a rider, babe. You know that you need a rider. You know that you need a rider, babe.
Alright, so here I'm just showing you guys how I sew the last part of my hair onto the closure. So when I'm done and I'm getting to the end, I actually sew this on to the closure, like through the closure, just so it's like it lays flatter, it looks more connected when it's on my head, and the way it falls just looks a lot better. And then as far as like how I end my weft, like to seal it, I should say, I just put the needle actually through the weft, wrap the thread around 3 times, pull it through, and it creates like this really good knot. Then I cut it, and then I just tie it up. And then that's it. So this is like the final look of the wig. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll also have a part 2 to this video on what I think about this hair, also how I style this hair, and all that good stuff. So like I always say, don't forget to like if you guys like it, don't forget to comment if you guys want to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I'll see you all in my next video.
We gon' end on a high note. I spy with my little eye, a girly I can get cause she don't get too many likes. A curly headed cutie I could turn into my wife. Wait, that means forever, ever.